Today I'm going to show you how to clean the glass. You can see that I've already gone through the process, but I need to show you how to remove the faceplate. It's really quite simple. Now this is a Heat Glo. You can see the model there. But really all you do to get the faceplate off is just lift up and then slide it, pull it off. I'll show you how to get access to the inside of the glass. You'll see this lever right here. It's kind of got it's spring loaded. This is where it's connected right here. What you do is you just pull that towards you. It's kind of hard to film and do it at the same time, but pull that latch toward you and it'll release. You can see how it released. Again, it's spring loaded. You've got another one over here. Again, pull it towards you, let it go. And then you can see now you have access to clean the inside of the glass. Now once you've got it down like this, you just get some glass cleaner. And I just have a paper towel. Go ahead and spray this off. While you have it out like this, it's good to just kind of clean it out real well. A lot of dust can accumulate, and that can be a fire hazard. We'll just go ahead and clean the inside of this glass really well. Be a much better vision of the fire. Like I said, it's good to wipe around the inside, get up as much dust as you can. I'm going to just spray it one more time, go over it one more time, see if we can get the rest of that. And you can see that looks a lot better. And now to get this on, let me see if I can show this a little bit better, but you just pull this device towards you and then secure it right in this groove right in here. You'll do the same thing over on this side. There we have it nice and secured. You can see how much better the view is of the fire. I will then go ahead and put the faceplate off. But like I said, it's good to clean around. I've already cleaned most of it. But it's good just to get as much dust up as you can. That way when you start it up, it's not burning some of that dust. We'll then go ahead and put the faceplate back on. And basically what it is it's got, you can see these little slot, this piece right here. They've got these little, you can see them right here. So it's just going to slide into that. Really simple to put on. You just got to line up those gaps. And there you have it. It's on there nice and secure. And you can see how much better that looks. And it's also good. I think I've already got the exterior out of this, but you want to make sure you go over that. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs, and hopefully you subscribe.